Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How to install MinGW on Windows? Open a browser and type MinGW Minimalist. Go to the SourceForge website with the title MinGW Minimalist GNU for Windows download. Wait a few seconds. Then click Start Download. Right-click on the MinGW Setup program and click Run as Administrator. Click Install, Continue, and wait until the loading is complete. Click Continue. Wait more seconds. In the Packages section, click Package, then right-click, and click Mark for installation on all packages. Click the installation menu, then click Apply Changes and click Apply. Wait for the loading to complete. This may take a while, so please be patient and do not close the window. After the message all changes were applied successfully appear, the installation is complete. So wait a few seconds or a few minutes. Yes, this is finished or complete. And then click Close. The next step is open the system settings. Yes, open the system. And click on Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties Windows, select Advanced, then click Environment Variable. In the System Variable section, select Path, then click Edit. Find the location where MinGW is stored by opening this PC, then navigate to c/MinGW/bin and copy the location. In the Edit Environment Variable window, click New and paste the copied location. Click OK, OK, and OK to save the changes. To check if MinGW is installed correctly, open the command prompt or CMD and type gcc --version. If successful, the installed version of MinGW will be displayed. This means it is successful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.